up, George. Whee! Ow. Oh no, George! I gotta get to Reboot Van, but it's all the way over there.
I got you now, little piggy.